Okay, this is one of our deluxe helmets that has all of the electronics in it. We're now painting these with 2-part automotive paints, which gives it a really nice shiny as well as a very hard surface. These just don't scratch like the paints that you get out of a shaker can. So on the inside it has an electronic box, on-off switch, voice, lights. Has a battery holder over here which holds a lithium battery. There's 2 ports over here. One of them is for the remote, the other one is for audio out. So it's got a small speaker in the helmet, which is probably good for indoor activities, but if you're going outside, you want to run a line from this down to an external amplifier. This is the remote. The remote has 2 little switches on it. One of them activates the lights, the other one activates the voice. It has a fan that's built in, lining, and some padding in there. The battery is powered by a lithium battery that just fits in here and plugs in.